Observing red squirrels in their natural habitat can be a delightful experience, and these small rodents play important roles in ecosystems by dispersing seeds and influencing the growth of forests through their foraging and caching behaviors. The conservation status of red squirrels varies across different regions, and local populations may face different threats. In general, red squirrels are not considered globally threatened, but certain populations have experienced declines, primarily due to habitat loss, competition with introduced species, such as gray squirrels, and diseases. In the United Kingdom, red squirrels have faced significant challenges due to the introduction of non-native gray squirrels. Gray squirrels outcompete red squirrels for food and habitat and can also spread a disease called squirrel pox, which is fatal to red squirrels. The red squirrel population in the UK has declined, and they are considered near threatened. Conservation efforts in the UK include the management of grey squirrel populations in certain areas to protect red squirrels and the establishment of red squirrel refuges. In parts of Europe, red squirrel populations are generally stable, but localized declines can occur due to habitat fragmentation, deforestation, and disease. Conservation efforts in Europe focus on preserving suitable habitats, managing forests sustainably, and monitoring and addressing disease outbreaks. Red squirrels in North America are more widespread and are not facing the same threats from invasive species as in some parts of Europe. However, local populations can be affected by habitat loss, logging, and other human activities. Red squirrels are generally associated with coniferous and mixed woodlands, while gray squirrels are more adaptable and can thrive in various habitats, including deciduous forests and urban areas. The adaptability of gray squirrels allows them to expand into areas traditionally inhabited by red squirrels, contributing to the displacement of red squirrel populations. Red squirrels typically have a body length ranging from about 18 to 24 centimeters. Their bushy tail is approximately as long as, or sometimes longer than, their body. Tail length can range from 15 to 20 centimeters. Red squirrels are lightweight compared to some larger rodent species. Adult red squirrels typically weigh between 200 to 300 grams. The upper part of a red squirrel's body, including the back, sides, and tail, is typically covered in a reddish-brown fur. This coloration helps them blend into the bark of trees in their natural habitat. The underside of red squirrels, including the belly, chest, and throat, is usually lighter in color, ranging from white to cream. While the red color is a defining characteristic, individual squirrels may display variations in the intensity of the red hue. Some red squirrels may appear more brown or grayish, especially in certain lighting conditions. Red squirrels may experience seasonal changes in coloration. In some regions, their fur may appear more vibrant during the summer months and may become duller or grayer in winter. Drays are typically constructed high up in the branches of trees. Red squirrels build their drays in the fork of a tree, usually using a combination of twigs, leaves, moss, and other plant materials. The outer structure of the dray is often composed of twigs and branches, providing a sturdy framework for the nest. Inside the outer framework, red squirrels line the dray with softer materials such as leaves, grass, and moss. This lining serves as insulation, providing warmth and comfort for the squirrels. The inner chamber is where the squirrel rests, sleeps, and shelters from the weather. Drays are typically located in the higher branches of trees, providing safety from ground predators. They are commonly built in deciduous or coniferous trees, and red squirrels may use the same nest for extended periods or construct new ones as needed. Red squirrels are vocal animals and use various calls to communicate. They emit high-pitched chattering sounds, which can serve as an alarm to warn of potential threats. They also have different calls for mating, aggression, and social interactions. Red squirrels use their tails not only for balance but also for communication. Tail movements can convey information about their mood or intentions. A bushy tail held high may indicate excitement or alertness, while a flattened tail can signal fear or submission. In the wild, the average lifespan of red squirrels is around 3 to 5 years. However, many individuals do not survive beyond their first year of life due to factors such as predation, accidents, and harsh environmental conditions. Red squirrels face numerous threats that can impact their survival. Predators such as birds of prey, foxes, and domestic cats pose risks, especially to younger and more vulnerable individuals. Red squirrels are excellent climbers and can move rapidly through trees, leaping from branch to branch with ease. Their strong hind legs and sharp claws allow them to navigate tree canopies efficiently. While red squirrels are primarily tree-dwelling, they can also move on the ground when necessary. On the ground, their speed is not as remarkable as their climbing abilities. They move in a series of hops and short sprints, and their speed can vary based on factors such as terrain and the presence of predators. When faced with a threat, red squirrels may use their agility and speed to escape predators. They can quickly climb up trees or move through the branches, making it challenging for ground-based predators to catch them. Red squirrels often move through the treetops to access food sources and travel within their territories. Their ability to move swiftly and gracefully among the branches helps them efficiently gather food and avoid potential dangers. Red squirrels are known for their alertness. They stay vigilant for predators and other threats, and their quick reactions allow them to escape quickly if they sense danger. Nuts are a crucial part of a red squirrel's diet. They feed on a variety of nuts, including hazelnuts, acorns, chestnuts, and pine nuts. Red squirrels are known for their ability to crack open nuts using their strong, sharp incisors. In addition to nuts, red squirrels consume a variety of seeds. They may eat seeds from pine cones, fir cones, and other tree cones. Seeds provide them with essential nutrients and energy. Red squirrels eat a variety of fruits, including berries, apples, cherries, and other fruits that they find in trees or on the ground. Fruits are an important source of vitamins and sugars. Red squirrels may gnaw on tree bark, especially in winter when other food sources may be scarce. They also feed on sap, particularly from certain tree species. Fungi, such as mushrooms, form part of the red squirrel's diet. Some fungi provide additional nutrients and can be an important food source, especially in certain seasons. Red squirrels are opportunistic feeders and may consume bird eggs or nestlings when they find them. This behavior is more likely to occur during periods of food scarcity. While not a primary part of their diet, red squirrels may occasionally consume insects, larvae, and other invertebrates. This can supplement their diet with protein. Red squirrels are known for caching or storing food. They bury nuts and seeds in the ground or hide them in tree crevices. These stored food supplies serve as a reserve during times when fresh food is scarce. Red squirrels build nests called drays. Drays are typically constructed high in the branches of trees, often in the forks where sturdy limbs meet. They are made from twigs, leaves, moss, and other plant materials. Drays are constructed by the female red squirrels, especially during the breeding season. The outer framework of the nest consists of twigs and branches, providing a sturdy structure. The inner chamber is lined with softer materials such as leaves, grass, and moss for insulation and comfort. Red squirrels generally have 2 peaks of reproductive activity each year, during late winter and early summer. The timing may vary slightly depending on geographical location and local climate. Mating occurs primarily in late winter or early spring, typically between January and March. Male red squirrels may compete for the attention of females, engaging in chases and vocalizations. The gestation period for red squirrels is approximately 38 to 39 days. After gestation, female squirrels give birth to litters of typically 3 to 7 young, known as kittens. The number of litters per year can vary. Female red squirrels are responsible for caring for and raising the offspring. The kittens are born hairless, blind, and dependent on their mother's care. The mother provides warmth, protection, and nursing until the young are old enough to forage on their own. During the breeding season, female red squirrels may use multiple drays within their territory. They may choose different drays for nesting and rearing young, moving them to reduce the risk of predation. Red squirrel kittens start to open their eyes and grow fur after a few weeks. They are weaned at around 8 to 10 weeks and become more independent. The mother may continue to care for them, but they learn to forage and build their own drays. During winter, red squirrels may use larger and more insulated drays to provide better protection against the cold. These winter drays may be constructed more robustly than the ones used in the warmer seasons. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.